Jerusalem artichoke right now. It's really beautiful. The camera's not focusing. It's very frustrating, but it's red and he's got black polka dots. There's a neat little bug that just crawled away there. And here's a beautiful mullein stalk. So I've trimmed away the 4 clocks from the fireplace because we've got an idea. We're gonna take these rocks and put them in the garden bed in different places, and then I got some bricks from my friend, and we're gonna just build up a brick fire ring, just kind of tall. So it won't be like a kiln necessarily, but it will be more like a taller walled fire ring, so that we can pack it with more wood before the sparks try to fly out. So it'll give us more room for the pottery. We're all rebuilding this together. Yesterday we brought all those bricks in the wagon together.
Being on the Ferris wheel was so fun.
Aww. Yeah, look at that.
I think I'll stack the bricks.
Yeah. Yeah, we just stack them up. It should work pretty good. If we make it taller, it should be more fire safe for having all kinds of fires. We can roast marshmallows too.
I'll go get more.
This work calls for some limeade. Alright, there we go. We'll have to do a test fire and see how that goes. It's not super tall, but I think it's tall enough to do the trick. So maybe next time we go to the store we can get...
I'm trying not to set my tofu on fire.
Yeah.